Managing your account details is easy to do. It's important to keep your account information up to date to ensure alerts and notifications reach you. It will also ensure your details are shown correctly on your reports. Firstly, click on the My Account menu item on the top right-hand corner of the screen. There are three main areas you can change: personal details, work details, and your password. Firstly, let's look at updating your personal details. It's important to get this right at the start, as it will help our customer care team assist you should you need to contact us for support. Most importantly, your personal email is the one we'll send any alerts or notifications to. This includes password or username change requests. Next, you can add in your work details. Doing this step will save you a lot of time, as it means your work contact details will be automatically added to any of the reports you create in RP Data Professional. Uploading a profile photo can really personalise your reports. To do this, click on the Choose Photo button and browse your computer to locate the picture you want to use. Remember to save your settings once complete. You can also use this area to change your password. Select the Change Password link and you'll be prompted to type in your current password once and your new password twice. Passwords need to be a minimum of 8 characters long and, for security reasons, contain at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, one number and a symbol. If you have completely forgotten your password, don't panic. Use the Forgot Your Username or Password link on the RP Data Professional login page. You can enter either your username or your email address into the field and click Submit. You'll receive an email with a link to reset a new password. Enter your new password twice, click Reset, and then you'll be able to log in with your new password. Now, back to the Account Details section. Account administrators can also use the Account Details area to manage users and branding. Look for our separate videos on managing users and managing branding for details on this. Remember to visit the My Account tab regularly to keep all of your personal details up to date. Find out how to get the most out of CoreLogic products with more training options from CoreLogic Academy.